Managers are flying blind. They don't want surveillance, but they still need early signals when workload is too high or growth is decreasing. Here comes Pulse AI, which solves this by turning weekly signals into actionable insights that protect privacy. How does it work? Basically, we take weekly metrics like task, deadline, meetings, collaboration, engagement, and learning hours, and we combine data from 4 week window and run machine learning models such as logistic regression and random forest for predicting three things. First is burnout risk, second is growth potential, and third is engagement, which is the growth. Then we have the Gemini, which generates manager-friendly recommendation, and everything is stored in PostgreSQL. Sometimes, since this project is on a low duration, I didn't have enough Gemini quotas, so it ran out. So I had a fallback mechanism as well. So this is the overall team overview we can see in the site. We have the team health, which is 87%. The burnout risk is low. Not everybody is causing a burnout there. The growth potential is quite high, emerging, and engagement is balanced. So we have the latest prediction snapshots. This is people who are already there. These are data sets I have already uploaded, and these are new data sets that I added. So everybody's burnout is low. Since burnout is low for most of the people, as a team member, since the burnout is low, the burnout risk is low. 7% is good. Good potential, it is emerging. Why? It is emerging because it is more better. And what else? We'll go to the employees. Now, in the employee side, it's loading. In the employee side, I click in employee. If the prediction doesn't exist, the Pulse AI returns automatically. Let's go for that. This is the employee. Okay. Here, what is happening? I am giving input to the machine learning models. And when I give the input to the machine learning models, which is task completed, missed deadlines, meeting hours, collaboration score, engagement score, learning hours, and stretch assignments, these are the metrics I'll give. What happens is that uh, that machine learning model it will take in that input and then return you back this input, which is burnout, performance, and growth. Burnout is very high, performance is declining, and growth is also low potential. There's not much potential in this employee. So what happens? This data, burnout is high, performance declining, growth low potential, is then fed into Gemini or any fallback mechanism to generate a recommendation. Then that is what happens here. You can also add the employee with 4 week ka data, or you can also choose to import a CSV of your team's ka matrix. Then we go to the weekly intelligence. Now, what does weekly intelligence do? I click the team insights. Okay, it will now get me new data. Now, see, this is Gemini quota is out of the Gemini has reached its quotas. That's why I have integrated a fallback mechanism for now. 2 of the 10 employees shows elevated burnout risk driven by average workload trend. So by using these two parameters, we have found out that 2 of the 10 employees have shown a elevated burnout risk. The team currently has identified high potential. This suggests there is a potential gap in talent development or recognition. 6 employees are showing declining performance. Key metrics like this are the common drivers for both performance and growth. So they are asking us, they're telling us these interconnected performance should be there. So this is the detailed inside logs. 6 employees are showing declining performance linked to task completion work trends. These are the team level. Workload pressure signals 2 of the 10 shows elevated burnout risk. And the team currently has no employees identified as high potential. 2 of the 5 employees are currently experiencing declining performance. All these patterns, there is alert summary, there is patterns, and then there is team shift that we observe in the detail inside log. And then when I go to the pulse, what do I observe here? I observe here for the employee E010. Now this can be taken from the point of the employee or from the manager point who selects it. So here's your personal growth pulse. This data is private to you and designed to help you balance impact with well-being. So the burnout risk, performance trend, and growth potential is derived here. This is the AI recommendation. Review the workload and meeting load to protect focus time for next sprint. Identify the blockers and clarify top priority to stabilize performance. allocate dedicated learning. This is a very fallback mechanism. If I were to rely on Gemini, it will give me more personalized recommendation there. So with that, this is all much to Pulse AI. Hope you like it. Thank you.